International Space Station, 18th of the 12th, 2023. Somebody's here.
Yeah, VK3 EJ, VK2 DRB back again, yep. You know, Rob, yeah, a few have come up, BLO, teetering. Yeah, teetering orange, BLO, and also VK2 MKK, yeah, a couple have come up there, so good to hear people on, over. Yeah, great, Damien, that's good to have a few more on, so MK, I just missed the
ZL4 Hotel Delta. ZL4 Hotel Delta.
VK4 Hotel Delta, VK3 Echo Juliet.
VK3 Echo Juliet, ZL4 Hotel Delta. How do you copy, over?
Sorry, ZL4 Hotel Delta, yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, good copy. 5 and in Melbourne, name this way, it's Damien, over.
Yeah, Roger Damien, you're 5 and 9 into Bluff, New Zealand. Name is Tom, over.
Yeah, cheers, Tom. Yeah, thanks for the call. Yeah, there's been a couple on, and good to hear the ISS is back and active, over.
Yeah, Roger, it is. It's great, actually. Very good, over.
Yeah, cheers. All right, I won't hold it, and starting to get a bit over here. 73's ZL4HD, VK3J.
Roger, VK3EJ, ZL4HD. Cheers for the contact. Jeez, it's a good path.
ZL1 BMW.
ZL1 BMW, ZL4 Hotel Delta.
ZL4 Hotel Delta, good evening. Coming through nicely at the moment, over.
Roger, you're coming through nicely too, loud and clear, over. Yeah, you're 5 and 9 too, over.
ZL4 Hotel Delta, ZL1 Bravo Mike Whiskey, over.
Yeah, ZL1 Bravo Mike Whiskey, ZL4HD, you're 5 and 9, over.
So, also 5 and 9, name's Mark, in Auckland, over.
Oh, Roger, you're Auckland, I'm in Bluff, bottom of New Zealand, over. Did you copy that, Mark?
Please repeat again, over.
Yeah, QDH is Bluff, over. Yeah, QDH is Bluff, QSL.
Roger, copy, Bluff. Name, please.
Name is Tom, Tango Oscar Mike, over.
Okay, thanks, Tom. 73.
Roger, 73 is Mark.
Still booming into Melbourne.
It's just coming into the... It's just coming into the west.
Melbourne station, copy ZL1 BMW.
Is that our 4 Hotel Delta?